So I'm gonna like take you up on my bed at morning time because you're pre-violence. Come out of my face. Come out of my face. You're pre-violence. Stop. Don't let me face. You deaf? Jesus. No, sir. Say good morning. Good, good morning. Good. Hey, but yeah, let me see if it's done. Yes. Watch. Watch. Wake up, that don't mean me. Come on. You have to stop to, me not. Alright.